Hi Zoha, it's great to have you with us today to share your study abroad journey with IE Study Abroad. So,
Hi,
first,
ma'am.
congratulations on receiving six diplomas from Italian Public University, including your dream university, University of Bologna. So, how do you feel?
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, so right now I think I feel like very overwhelming because I always wanted to go abroad for my studies, but I really didn't know how the process will go on. What is the process? But then after going through this whole journey, whole process, receiving six let admission offer was like really happy and proud moment for me, especially University of Bologna, because I always wanted to go there, like after when I research about Italy, because it's one of the oldest and prestigious university, and now I'll be studying there, so I'm really happy about that.
That's wonderful to hear. So,
Yes.
can you briefly introduce yourself and share like how IE Study Abroad supported you throughout your journey, like including your IELTS preparation and the application process?
Okay, so currently I have completed my bachelor's in biotechnology from Lucknow, and I was very sure that I want to go to abroad for my master's, but I was like really clueless. I didn't know like which country I should go for, what is best for me, and then I got to know from my common friend about IE study, and then I have first counseling session with you, I remember. And at that time also I was very confused about the country. I was not sure which country should I go for, and then you guided me the whole process, and then I study helped me in like what I like the most is how we have like separate team for everything. So that was like one thing that really helped me in the whole process in finalizing the university and applying there and everything.
Thank you for sharing that. So after completing class 12, like you had a like few years of study gap as well, like before pursuing your bachelor's degree. So how did our team help you overcome that challenge?
Okay, so honestly, my academic gap was something I was really concerned about, because when we look about to the application, like it's a negative thing. But I was really concerned about that. But then you told me that you have to justify those years. If you can justify this, your academic profile can boost up. So at that time, I was doing like during my gap year, I was doing freelancing, and then you told me that you can use that and show what you did in all those years and help in. So I really thank IE team for helping me in justifying my gaps, that how I can show all those things that I did on paper. So that really helped in boosting my profile.
So, because we know that many students have similar concerns, like
Yes.
about gaps and all, right? So, it's
Yes.
great to hear that the right guidance helped you move forward with confidence as well.
Yes, ma'am. Confidence was something that I was missing, and I think I study really helped me in gaining that.
Yeah, because students आते हैं हमारे पास with a few years of gap, but exactly you can cover that gap and profile को enhance करके definitely you can get the public universities, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Like while considering different consultancies, what made you choose IE Study Abroad?
Okay, so before consulting to you guys, I talked to many other consultancy, but I was not getting the reassurance. So the one thing that really helped me in choosing IE study was how you explain the whole process in the starting only. Like there was like a lot of clarity in the whole process, that what will be the direction, how we'll go through the whole process. And secondly, the team, the one thing that I really love, that you have a separate team for everything. Like if I want to, like for application, I was provided another team. For my visa process, there was another team, and then for the scholarship, there was another team. So I knew that everything is like perfect. So that's something really helped me in going for my study abroad dream with you.
We truly appreciate your trust in us. Like it means
Yes,
a lot to
ma'am.
know that you choose IE Study Abroad for such an important step in your career.
Yes, ma'am,
So,
because in starting, trust is something I was not trusting anyone. I think you can also remember how many time I have asked you for reassurance that
yes,
I'll
yes.
get. Yes, so that's something really helped me.
So, like, what was your biggest concern before starting your application process?
I think everything was very overwhelming because there is too much information on the internet, on the YouTube, but everything is incomplete. Like if for as a student, if I want to go to some any country, I have a lot of source of information, but what is the right way to move forward? I didn't knew that, and that's something the team really helped me. How they really also the one thing I was very concerned about is how to make my profile, like the CV for like Europa CV. I don't know what was the format. I don't know what thing I should write and what I should not. So all these step was really confusing as a student. Yes, I think that's something. The whole process was very scattered, so I really helped in organizing everything.
So, how much did our one admit guarantee for Italian public universities influence your decision?
I think it really influenced my decision also, because when I contacted other consultancy, they were not giving me reassurance. And the first thing whenever we are applying abroad is uncertainty. Everything is very uncertain. So that clause really helped me that okay, if I am putting my 100% effort, I will get back 100% result, and it is very evident that I'm getting it right now. So it was really useful for me.
So, like, could you share your overall experience working with IE Study Abroad during the application process?
I think the whole process was very exciting, but at the same time, a lot of patience is required, because if I start from beginning, the application process, in that I really helping in me, guiding me in what documentation is something that is very unclear. Like we have the rules that okay, this is the document we need, this is, but from where we'll get that? What is, like if I'm, like suppose I'm from UP, so on the YouTube the information were there, okay, you have to make this particular document for this, but where I'll get in my city, which office I have to go, whom to contact, all those things, like really I team really helped me in that. Secondly, for my IELTS preparation, I had no idea, and I think I in 1 week I scored pretty good because of the IE team, because they really guided me with the mock test and what type of questions will come in the interview. And then for like my visa process, for, and one thing I also really like about follow-ups, like you guys give so many follow-ups, so that's something I think as a student I should be the one coming forward and calling you, but it was like opposite. You guys were like literally calling me every second day for follow up. Okay, have you done this? Have you done the document process? So the whole journey was, I would say, it requires a lot of patience. We have to collect a lot of documents, prepare, and for like interviews and all. But at the end, I think if a person works hard and in the right direction with the right guidance, everything will be fine.
Thank you so much for your kind words. So, like, was our team approachable and available whenever you needed support?
Yes, because I used to call you at, like I used to call you on holidays also, and you were there to pick up the call, and other team members also, because at wrong time I have wrong queries. Okay, so this is, I have like a question regarding funds. I was very confused. Okay, can I make my mama sponsor, or can I make my khala sponsor? And that question, if I want to ask you at any time, I give a message or call you all. The team is there for me at every hour. So very approachable team, and yes, I would say that it was the best decision to get my journey with you guys.
Like, we are really happy to hear that. Like, supporting our students at every step of the journey is always our top priority. So,
Yes.
how does it feel to receive a world class education at such an affordable cost?
I think one of the main reason that I opt for Italy was affordability, because there are many other countries where I can go for my masters, but tuition fees and everything, the cost, it's not affordable everywhere. So getting such a good quality education in such affordable price, I think uh, it's like a dream come true for every student. So affordability was something also that was my major concern when I first approached you, and that's why you suggested me to go for Italy. So yes,
So basically, like your whole masters will be done under like 2 to 3 lakhs. That's it.
yes, ma'am. So like I think it's like a biggest opportunity one can get.
So, like, what was your family's reaction when you received your admission result?
They were very emotional. My parents are very supportive. Okay, they have every time they are there for me and in every condition. So when I told them that okay, I got 6 offer letter from these universities and now I'm going, so they were really happy and emotional at the same time, because it was a really proud moment for them. They always wanted me to go abroad for studies, and finally now I'm going there. So yeah, they were really happy for that.
So, like, that must have been an unforgettable moment, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So, like, how do you feel about IE study abroad fulfilling its promise of making higher education affordable?
I think like as a student, sometimes we think like the process is very, like if like certain countries, if you want to go to a certain countries, the tuition fee is very high. So I abroad really helped me to choose the country that that works for me, because I don't think if I didn't get contact with you guys, I would have opted for Germany or maybe something else, and then end up taking a lot of loan and stuff. But the right direction was something that I really needed as a student, and I got that from you guys, and now I'm going to receive world class education, very affordable price, plus good scenery. So I'm very happy about that.
Now that you will be paying minimal tuition fees for your master's program, so how important was the low cost public university option in your decision?
It was the one of the most important factor also, because that was my major concern, that I wanted to pursue masters but in affordable price, because budget was my issue. So my priority was always to receive good education but at less cost. So and now finally I'm going to get that.
Because that's a very important point, because like there are many students who are looking for quality education without a heavy financial burden, right?
Yes, ma'am. Plus also the thing is, there are countries also that provide affordable education, but the quality of education is not that good. Here I'm getting both. I'm getting affordability plus world class education. So that is something very overwhelming for me right now.
So, like, was there anything unique about our support that stood out to you?
I think the whole process, but the one thing that really stood out it was the team, how the team is divided. It's like how we have separate team for everything. That is something I really liked, and it was like really approachable. So like when my application process started, then I had other team members and they were there for me every time. And then for my visa process, there was another team. For my scholarship, there is another team. So I know that I'm getting dealt with expert who have knowledge in their area. So every time if I have any doubt regarding anything, I know I'm at the right place with the right person. And second thing was follow up. Like you guys are very good at follow-ups. Like every day you guys check up on us as a like, okay, have your documents prepared? Are you preparing for your language classes? So that's something from day one till today, it's the same. So I really like that about IE.
So, like, if someone is confused about studying abroad, so what would you tell them based on your experience?
Okay, so I think confusion is something that is the first step, and that will stay there. Okay, so you don't have to be worried that okay, I'm confused, because I was there, I was very confused. But if you have right guidance, that confusion will change into a path. So do your research, ask question, and try to study about your course also. Okay, whatever course you want to pursue, look which country is best for you. Don't go for okay, this country is good, I'm going there. Look at the course, that whether that country offers best course at the best price. So that is something. And be patient. Patience is something. Throughout the whole journey we have to be patient, because there was some moment where I was like, okay, I can't do this, I'm done, I am okay, I'll study in India only. So patience is something that we have to keep.
Like, that's wonderful advice, and we are sure many students will find it encouraging and helpful. So,
Thank you,
like,
ma'am.
what advice would you give to future students going through the same journey?
I think start early as possible, because the whole thing takes a lot of time. Like whether it's you have to prepare documents, we have to collect degrees from our college, we have to prepare for the examination. So start as early as you can. And another important piece of advice that be that be patient. That is something I would advise. Be patient, and just dedication also is important.
Thank you for those inspiring words. So, like, would you recommend IE study abroad to your friends and family?
Yes, of course, because like on my personal experience, yes, because if I am going right now, if I'm going to University of Bologna, it's only because of IE study. Because I never thought that like I was clueless that okay, I can also go to University of Bologna, which is one of the oldest and prestigious university with such an affordable like fees. So that I would definitely recommend I study. And like for whole thing, whether scholarship process or IELTS preparation also, like in 1 week I was able to secure good marks in that. So definitely I would recommend everyone. Plus also I really like whole team, especially you. You have been with me from first day, and there were time in my journey also where I was like nahi ho raha hai mujhse, but you really guided me that okay, now we have to be patient, and now I'm here. So I'm really thankful the whole IE team, and I will really recommend everyone to start their journey with you guys.
Thank you so much, and we are truly grateful for your trust and support. So,
Thank you so much.
thank you so much, Zoha, for sharing your wonderful journey with us. And like, it has been a pleasure supporting you throughout this process.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
And congratulations once again, and thank you for being a part of the IE Study Abroad family.
Thank you for being there for me.